If you've ever wondered how to add countdown timers in marketing emails and actually get them to work, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it, step by step, in just a few minutes. And stick around, because I've tried all the top options, and I'll show you which one works best without the bugs or limitations you usually run into. Adding a countdown timer to an email creates real urgency, and that drives clicks. But not all email tools handle timers well. Some break the formatting, some don't display in every inbox, and some only work on desktop. So today, we're using a software I personally tested across platforms, and it's the easiest one to get started with. You'll find a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel in the description below, so you can follow along and test this yourself. Let's get into it. First, sign up using the link below for instant access. No credit card needed, and it takes less than 60 seconds. Once you're in, go to the countdown timer section. You'll see an interface where you can set your deadline. You can choose a fixed date, like a product launch, or a dynamic countdown that starts when someone opens the email, which is perfect for evergreen offers. Next, choose your style. The software gives you multiple themes, digital, minimal, bold, plus you can customize the colors, font, and size to match your brand. Then you'll copy the embed code. It's literally just one line of code. Paste it into your email builder where you want the timer to appear. If your email tool doesn't support HTML blocks, just use the image version instead. The software automatically generates a fallback for platforms like Gmail and Outlook. Now, preview your email. Make sure the timer appears where it should. Test it by sending it to yourself. On open, the countdown should display correctly and start ticking down live. If you're using automation, you can pair this with triggers like X days after sign-up to send out a sequence with individual timers per subscriber. One tip, always use timers ethically. They work, but if your deadline isn't real, people catch on fast. Use them when you actually have a limited time deal, cart close, or expiring bonus. So here's the key takeaway. Countdown timers in marketing emails work, but only if they display correctly, load fast, and actually match your offer's deadline. This software does all that and makes the whole process dead simple. Quick recap. Sign up using the free trial link below. Set a fixed or dynamic countdown. Choose a design and customize it. Copy the code and paste it into your email. Preview and test before sending. Before you go, make sure to grab that exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through this channel, and it'll save you a ton of time figuring it all out on your own. Thanks for watching. Get your timer live today and start boosting your clicks instantly.